Hi everybody, it's Artist King back with another video. Once again, as you all know, I always do, I am reusing a canvas from a previous piece that I did because I do not like to waste stuff. So anyway, I did some scrape art on this a few months back. You can probably go into my videos and look for it. I'm not sure how far back it was, but I now have about, I think, 100 videos posted. So you can search through them and see the one that goes with this. So today what I'm doing is I'm trying to do some mixed media art on this canvas. So I am using modeling paste today because that does very well with stencils. It does a lot better than using white acrylic paint or any other type of acrylic paint. It does a really good job and it sets really well. The only thing is, most times when you use it like this, you have to dry it before you try to put anything over it or try to work close to it because it will like smear. So anyway, so today I'm using stencils. As you can see, I'm using the modeling paste, the white modeling paste. Then you'll probably see me use some ink pads and some art brushes to put the ink on the stencils. So that's kind of what I'm using today. See how good it does, and it, like I said, when it dries, it stays really wet. It stays perfect. So if you ever want to try out modeling paste on your stencils, and then it gives the piece nice texture because it dries kind of raised, so you could, like, even if I put a different color over that, you would see the raised pieces, parts of it. So this is another stencil that I'm going to use and put black. Because with the color, the background colors, it's hard to put like light colors. So I have to go with black or maybe like a dark blue or something like that you could actually see something on it. So this was just like a last minute thing that I got in my head to do. So I just the main colors I used was black and white on this canvas. And then you'll see I've got the stencils with the tribal looking ladies and see. So I decided to put them in black on different parts, like kind of lean them sideways and yeah. See, and I'm trying my best not to have the stencil touch the white part, but it did. So I got white paint all over my hands. I got it all over underneath by my elbows. It was crazy, but it was a lot of fun doing it. I just hope these videos can show you guys how easy it is. It doesn't have to be perfect. You could try. If you try and it gets messed up, you could do something different. So it's just a lot of fun. It's very therapeutic for me. I always tell people my art studio is my happy place. This is where I go to forget about everything else that's going on in the world. And it just makes things easy for me. So then I use some other stencils and I tried to use some lighter colors, but it didn't really go very well because I guess because of the background of the colors in the background of the piece. So anyway, I will let you watch the rest of this video. Yeah, see, I just used like some colors that you just couldn't really see it in the back when you look at the painting. And then I used some silver. The silver, I was able to see the silver really clearly. So I put some silver, I guess some silver flowers, I believe it was. So if you look closely, you can see the silver ink that it actually showed up on this piece. And I guess that's because it's a light color. I tried yellow, but you really can't see it. So I think I put another color like blue or green or something, and you were able to see that, but not a whole lot. So yeah, so you guys, thanks again for watching. Leave a comment, please. Share with a friend. That always makes me happy when you share my videos. Like and subscribe. Now that really makes me happy. So thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you next time. Okay, all right, bye now.